Hello, this is Siba, and this is going to be a short tutorial on how to achieve the butterfly locks, or aka distressed locks look. Enjoy! The hairpiece I'll be using for this look is my customized curly hairpiece, specially made, handmade by me and sold by moi. You can get this hairpiece in any color and any length on my Instagram hair page called Her Crown. As you can see here, I'm starting with a braid. It doesn't have to be done till the end as long as your hair is braided in the braid. So your hair or your braid can be as long as you'd like your locks to be. Before I install, I take the hairpiece and I unravel it, as you can see. Don't be too rough with it because you need the curl. For this part, I have slowed it down and zoomed it for you so you can see how I get the distressed look. For you to get the distressed look, you wrap it, and then as you can see here, I wrap it over my finger. As you wrap it over your finger, once you've wrapped over your finger, then you take it out and it's going to give you that nice hoop, that nice, as you can see, the effect. So you can do this as much as you'd like depending on how distressed you'd like your locks to be. Fast forward, and this is the finished product. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was informative. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like the hairpiece, please visit Her Crown on Instagram. Thank you guys so much. Goodbye.